So good evening, ma'am. So I am Vijay Dransaman by 4. So for today is I'm going to present my activity, which is in this activity the prelim activity 3, the first React applications. So in this activity, no, is you may the objective of this laboratory is to install the required tools, which is the Node.js and the Visual Studio Code. Then also create a React project using Vite. Then i-run ang development server. Then mag-create og simple React components that uses the props to display the student information. So first one is to install the Node.js, which is this one. So I already installed, since I already installed the Node.js the version 24.18.0 LTS. Then after this is install the Visual Studio. Then I already have a Visual Studio. So then the third is creating React project. So while using the Vite, and I create React project pinaagi sa kaning command na wait lang. So pinaagyan ako in this command, no, naka-create a React project, my React that naka-create a template React, then target directory my React, then we use the ESLint instead of Oxalent, yes, then installed with npm now. And then after that, then starting dev server, then naantay my React and Vite, then mo na itong localhost. So the next is creating React component using props. So in the inside of my React.app, so not a src, then we create a student folder, which is a file that student.jsx. so inside this file, so mo na tong code, the function student props, and return, then student information, name props name, then course props course, then year level, then props year, then school, then props school. So then while doing this, no, then let's proceed to the app JSX. So this one, so mo na itong return sa ating student dito. So import student, then function app, then return div, then student, then name Vijay Dransaman, then the course is Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, then year 4th year, then school St. Michael's College. So mo na siya ang student component, then nagpass taog data using the props. So ang output here, so mo na ang output, no. This one mo na ang output sa atong React. Pwede ito na i-paste sa Google. So this is the output: student information, name Vijay Dransaman, course Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, then year level 4th year, then school St. Michael's College. So and then so that would be all. As you can see, output. Then that's all, ma'am, and thank you.